Have you ever wondered if your exercise selection really matters when it comes to muscle growth? Well, the latest study says yes, it does. Stick around as we break down the best exercises for hypertrophy and how you can optimize your workouts. The study. Let's jump into the study published in the Journal of Science in Sport and Exercise. This research took 30 experienced lifters and observed them over 8 weeks. Each lifter was assigned one of 4 lower body exercises to perform twice a week on one leg, while the other leg did the remaining 2 exercises. The exercises included leg press, a compound movement targeting the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Leg extension, an isolation exercise focusing on the quads. Straight leg toe press, a unique move aimed at the calves, specifically the gastrocnemius. Seated calf raise, another calf-focused exercise but in a seated position. The goal of the study was to understand how these exercises affect muscle growth in specific regions of the legs. Researchers aimed to find out whether different exercises could lead to different hypertrophy outcomes. Key findings. Here's where things get interesting. The study found that leg extensions. These were fantastic for boosting the rectus femoris, the middle part of your quad. This is likely due to the isolation nature of the exercise, which allows for targeted engagement of this muscle. Leg press. This one took the lead in growing the vastus lateralis, or the outer part of your quad. The multi-joint nature of the leg press recruits a broader range of muscle fibers, contributing to greater overall growth in the outer quads. Straight leg toe press. This exercise was the champ for calf growth, especially for the medial and lateral gastrocnemius. It outperformed seated calf raises due to the increased stretch and engagement in the standing position, which seems to better target these muscles. The findings emphasize how different exercises can preferentially enhance muscle growth in specific areas, underlining the importance of exercise selection. Additional insights. Another study published in Frontiers in Physiology looked into the effectiveness of different calf raise exercises. It compared standing and seated calf raises, analyzing muscle growth differences between these 2 positions. Here's what they found. Standing calf raises. The standing position was far more effective in increasing hypertrophy in the gastrocnemius muscles, both lateral and medial. The lengthened position in standing calf raises allows for greater muscle activation and stretch, which significantly boosts muscle growth. Seated calf raises. While these exercises did contribute to some growth, the gains in the gastrocnemius were minimal compared to the standing variant. The seated position primarily targets the soleus muscle, which did not show as significant a growth compared to the standing calf raises. The conclusion here is clear. If you're aiming for maximum calf development, especially in the gastrocnemius, standing calf raises should be your go-to exercise. Conclusion. And there you have it. Exercise selection does matter. And now you have the tools to make informed choices for your muscle-building journey. By integrating these findings into your training, you can optimize your workouts for better results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for the latest studies, news, and insights in fitness. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.